Welcome to Solar Power Math. I'm Susanna Solar, and I'm so excited to help you with math concepts that will help you become a more successful student in the math classroom. This topic is factoring. Factoring is taking a polynomial and breaking it into its factors that multiply to get that polynomial. So this particular factoring is when a is 1. A is the coefficient in front of the x squared or variable squared. So all three of these examples are examples when a is 1 because there's not a coefficient in front of the squared term, meaning it's a 1. So here is how we factor these types of trinomials. The first example, x squared plus 5x plus 6. The question or questions that we need to ask ourselves are what multiplies to get 6 and adds to get 5. I like to write this in a little cross where I put the third term up at top and the second term or coefficient in the bottom. And this is just a visual way to help you think through it. But we're going to try and fill in the left and right with two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. So I'm just going to start trying numbers. What multiplies to 6? 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3, that's 5. So that works. Well, how do we write the factors? So we'll open two parentheses. Our variable is an x, so we'll put an x on the first one and an x on the second one. And then you fill in your two numbers, plus 2, plus 3. So those would be the factors. X plus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors of x squared plus 5x plus 6. Y squared minus 14y plus 40. So what multiplies to 40 and adds to negative 14? The first thing I think of that multiplies to 40 is 4 times 10. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 plus 10, that's not negative 14, but it's super close. If it was a negative 4 and a negative 10, that would be negative 14. Well, negative 4 times negative 10 does multiply to 40 because two negatives make a positive. So these would be our two numbers that we fill in. Open your two parentheses. Our variable is a y. So one of them is y minus 4. The other is y minus 10. And the last one, b squared minus 3b minus 4. Multiply to negative 4, add to negative 3. So notice you're taking the sign in front of the term, negative 4 and negative 3. So what multiplies to negative 4? Well, to get a negative, it needs to be one positive and one negative. So if we do 2 and negative 2, that does multiply to negative 4, but does not add to negative 3. So let's try 1 and 4. 1 needs to be negative, 1 needs to be positive. Well, in order to add to negative 3, make the negative 4, or make the 4 negative. And so 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. 1 plus negative 4 is negative 3. So we'll open both sets of our parentheses. B minus 4, B plus 1. So those would be our factors. So your factors are, if you're looking for factors, they are b minus 4 and b plus 1. It's not just the 1 and the negative 4. It's the whole thing, b minus 4, b plus 1.